I want to make a original character based on the Alka-Carti kit. So I did some very roughly color scheme design last night.
Wow, okay.
So this is the original design, right? Firstly, I come up with some like coloring ideas.
Okay.
So this is a light bluish.
Yep.
Yeah, armor.
That's a different scheme.
Yeah, yeah. And I really want to make her close to my when I graduate from uni, I designed a character and I really want to make her as close as the one I designed before. So here it is. Yeah.
All right, let's zoom in even a little bit more. Let's see.
Yeah, so as you can see, I made some changes to the hair, right?
Yeah.
Oops, sorry. Sorry.
So you're going to be scratch building.
Yeah.
You're going to be building this hair because it's not what comes with the kit.
Yes.
Which Kawa is going to lead into the next segment, but after we go through this.
Yeah.
So you've got... Oh, I don't want to touch this. Okay, it's double. Okay, so yeah, you've redesigned all the colors.
Yes.
And you're going to have to paint all that now.
Yes.
Yeah, so you've got a lot of work to do in 28 days.
I know, I'm stressed.
You got a Panzer 3 and this. I'm going to have to give you a holiday.
You should.
Okay.
So for doing this, I just did some research for the tools I need. So here's the
first one.
Yeah. So the putty is for the hairs. Like I need to use putty to shape the hair by myself.
Yep.
And this one is, so the most different between these two is the hardness.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
much more stiff.
Yeah, stiff.
Very stiff, very rigid. Yeah. I've used this one before.
For aircraft?
For aircraft.
Oh.
Yeah. It's a really good filler.
Oh.
So in building, it's a really good 2-part filler because it dries really stiff. Even sanding, it's really rigid and it doesn't have any marks. And also scratch building. People use it for scratch building and making figures as well.
Yeah.
You know, sculpting.
Yeah.
So that's that.
Yeah. And Tamiya's ones is like more
plastic type.
Yeah, plastic types. Yeah, sort of.
It emulates the plastic, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
And you will also need
files.
The files to sand the sharpness, the sharp parts for the hair. Yeah. These three is for hair.
Those three is just for the hair.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And this one is for adding the blush and shading. Yeah, any color gradients. Yeah, for the skin tones.
Right. Okay. Are you gonna paint it?
I will see, but.
Well, I mean, you got to paint all this, right?
Yeah.
But not this face.
Not face. Not.
You don't know if you're gonna paint the face.
Yeah.
Because I don't know how this is gonna grip if you do the face.
I know.
Flat coat. Maybe a flat coat.
Flat coat.
TS80. Anyone who's wondering, a good flat coat, TS80 by TAMIYA is a good rattle can. Very quick. Lacquer, dries hard, and it's simple to use. Yeah. And
I was discussing because I want to have a hole in the eyes, like do the 3D
like
tracing eyes. Yeah.
Like that, yeah?
Yeah. So after some research, I think the best way to do that is like using drills. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Using drills.
Yeah.
And any other tools?
And this one is actually for sculpting the hairs.
For the hairs as well.
Yeah,
making more individual strands and like texture.
Yes.
I reckon in terms of the eyes though as well, you might need to use a hobby knife or something as well.
Yeah.
To shave out the inside. Make it look thin, you know? So it's not, I mean, in plastic aeroplanes, if you cut open an access panel to the side of the fuselage or whatnot, the plastic is like this thick, right?
Yeah.
So we shave down the area around where the hole is to make it look like aluminium thickness.
Oh.
Very, very thin.